At this point, it's about 11:30 in the afternoon. Is that morning? Morning, maybe? I'm not sure. I woke up at 6:30, did 1 hour of home exercises, ate breakfast, met up with my friend Jaw, went on a 2.5-mile run, took a shower, went to the mall and did some Christmas shopping, got gas, and now I'm here getting ready to start work at 1:30. Okay, yeah guys, hello. After listening to all that shit I did in the morning, you guys are probably like, what the fuck? I wake up early at 6:30 every morning. I feel like if I wake up late, then I'm like wasting things to do in my day because I usually work midday or in the evening, so I want to do things in the morning before I actually have work. So morning time is like the time. My mind moves in like hours earlier at a time, so if you tell me I have something at 2, my automatic thing is like, okay, I have to be ready by 12 or start getting ready at 12, leave by 1, get there by 2 or at least 1:45 and be there early because I would rather be early than late. I hate being late. Growing up, I was always late to things. I would have to tell my mom that I would start volleyball practice 1 hour early before I actually did just to get there on time. If it's not really important to me, then it's like whatever, I'll be late, I don't give a shit. But if it's like I gotta be there on time, then I'm gonna be there on fucking time. It's not really much to me getting ready, but I figured why not make this a video because yeah. The first thing I usually do when I get ready is I usually do my hair. I hate killing my hair for things that I don't have to kill my hair for. So what I usually do is, because my hair is cut in a bow cut style, I wet my entire hair first, I put some shea butter in my hair, and I just brush it all down, and then I go to work with like a bowl cut, and it's kind of embarrassing, but it's like I don't feel like killing my hair just for going to work and looking at people that I'm never probably gonna see again. I go to work looking like a fucking moron. My friend actually said that I look like the villain from Despicable Me, and I was like, watch, one day I'm gonna come to work wearing all orange and y'all gonna be like, what the fuck? And I'm gonna be like, huh. So I'm done with my hair. The reason why I do my hair an hour early is so that when it dries, I can make sure it looks good. If it doesn't, then I can just fucking style it in like 3 minutes. When it does dry, it's gonna dry exactly like this. It is gonna be fine. I'm not gonna have to worry about it. And now that my hair is done, I do throw my shirt inside of the dryer ahead of time while I do my hair and stuff, just so that it doesn't get any wrinkles. It might have like a little bit more wrinkles, but other than that, most of the wrinkles are gone. By the time I'm done with my hair, my shirt should already be dried and wrinkle free, and then I can get ready for work, and then after that, it's just chilling. At this point, my hair is already drying. I already have my contacts in. I've already brushed my teeth. I already ate breakfast because of the fact that I got up early and I already did a bunch of things. Last things that I usually have to do before I leave is just, you know, throw my work clothes on and then I'm all good. I'm gonna try to do one of those. I'm gonna jump and change clothes. We're gonna see how that works. Yeah, y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? I'm gonna try it. Now that I'm done with all of that, I have to go get my home lunch, which is right there in my icebox. It's gonna be chicken Alfredo, I think, today that I have to warm up in the microwave, but it's all good. Here is that. This is gonna be my lunch. It's small, but you know, whatever. Put that in the TNC bag. And these are brownies. I'm gonna take one. That looks good. This is to eat now. This is to eat later. I'll also eat that later. So, yeah. Also gonna take this fork because I don't have forks. What's up, Palalas? What's up, Palala?
What's up, rice bowl head?
Rice bowl for my shoes. I either have running shoes in the car just in case I'm pushing carts, and then I also have Toms in my car, so if I'm inside then it's like comfortable and nice and I'm good for like the 8 hours that I'm there. And I know I didn't take that long to get ready, but like my get ready is like very simple. My Monday morning routine and my Sunday night routines are a little bit more than that, which will be coming out in a little while. That was my get ready for work with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also click that subscribe button if you guys have not already. And yeah, have a great night, day, or whatever you guys are having, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.